Hey, so are you a photographer or videographer and right now there's just no work, you're bored, you're sitting around the house? Well, this video is for you. My name is Josh Booth. I am a wedding photographer and videographer based in Iowa. Right now in the Midwest, it's really cold, snowy, and the days are short. And often I get up, twiddle my thumbs, looking out the window, scrolling Facebook, Instagram, trying to figure out what to do. There was this point in my life when I remember all of the gear that I wanted. I used to browse websites, could only dream about the things that I would do when I got this gear. Now I have it and I take it for granted. It sits around thousands of dollars worth of gear. Stay tuned because I want to show you what I did today. Wow, that's dope. Get out of that creative rut or possibly even make some extra money. I decided to do a quick little photo shoot with my wife. She was not interested, but I did it. And then I decided to maybe make some wall art. In this session, I took about 70 photos, picked the best 5 or 6 and edited them. Now I chose Walgreens. I know what you're gonna say.
What do you think you're doing? Those are not quality prints. You're lowering the value of photography.
It's not the best, I know, but I wanted something I could physically put my hands on today. It was last minute. Go to walgreens.com, create an account, go over to same day pickups, upload my photos, drag and drop into whichever template, submitted the order, and it was ready in 1 hour. Headed to the store, picked those up, and I think I paid a little bit over $35. All right, I'm back from Walgreens and I got the prints. These only took 1 hour. They are 11 by 14 poster board. Wow, that's dope. I took these. You guys, it's something about seeing your work printed. All right, I'll show you guys these. This is the first one. This is the second one. You can hang these on the wall. The customers will be satisfied. I'm telling you, like, show them prints, show them these, and people will buy these, right? 35 bucks each or something. And then you have closer to $300 for like an hour and a half worth of time. They're Walgreens prints, so don't jump down my throat. Any of you photographers out there gotta send it off and go to like one of those super expensive printers. I get it, I understand, but I mean, these are really good prints. Now for me, that inspired me. Like, it's been a while since I've done photography because mainly what I do is video. And as photographers and videographers, we don't often take pictures of our family. We have a gift. We have the equipment, the knowledge to get it done for nothing, right? And for those of you who maybe want to make a quick buck, this is a small investment. Maybe charge $200, $250 a session, and you'll do a quick 30, 40-minute session with them. Charge a deposit. 4 or 5 sessions, bam, you got a quick 400 or 500 bucks in your pocket. If you're getting a little bit of value out of this, it would really help if you smash the like button. It's my first video, and I hope that this will be the first of hundreds. And I hope that you guys will subscribe to what I do. I plan on showing tips, tricks, some of my work, my daily personal life, and telling my story and hoping to inspire others.